Let us learn parts of the body. Eyebrow, nose, hair, eye, ear, mouth, leg, teeth, arm, tongue, hand, foot, chest, ear, nose, mouth, arm, hand, leg, toe, eye, tooth, neck, chest, hip, knee, foot, hair, back, vest, bottom, heel, head, shoulder, elbow, finger, ankle, ear, nose, mouth, arm, hand, leg, toe, eye, tooth, neck, chest, hip, knee, foot, hair, back, waist, bottom, heel, head, shoulder, elbow, finger, ankle. Let us learn about our sense organs. There are 5 sense organs. They are hand, tongue, ear, eyes, nose. We touch with our hands. We taste with our tongue. We listen with our ears. We see with our eyes. We smell with our nose.